Sir, part po noong reply ni VP Sara, yun daw pong ginawa niyang alleged threats against President Bongbong Marcos, etc. ay bahagi daw po ng freedom of expression. Your thoughts po on that?
You know, all lawyers would agree that there's no such thing as absolute freedom. All freedom are also subject to some regulation. One cannot go around the streets accusing anybody of something without the necessary consequence of that action, either verbally or acted upon. So the threat, as we have seen during the press con na pinatawag niya, nakita natin direct threat yun sa presidente. It's not actually her utterances that should be focused on. It's the effect of that utterances on the person that is being threatened. No? In sinabi niya sa presidente, sa unang ginang, no? At saka sa former speakers. I think for someone who has that, who enjoys a certain privilege, influence, and following, we should also take that into consideration. Na hindi mo po pwedeng hindi bigyan ng seriousness itong threat. And even herself qualify the degree of threat actually saying these words, no? Siya mismo ang nagsabi, no joke. No joke, no? So, it's for the court's appreciation. That's why we have forwarded this to the Senate so that the Senate, acting as an impeachment court, can actually and finally settle whether our claim and our allegation that this is indeed constitute betrayal of public trust, this would constitute high crimes, would the Senate be able to at least appraise with the evidence that we will present? Now, mind you, we are confident that we have the evidence to present before the Senate. So it's for them to convince the impeachment trial na parte ito, saklaw ito, doon sa freedom of expression, na wala dapat consequences sa pagbabanta ng tao. And remember, as a public official, it is also our civic duty to involve ourselves in value formation para tayo po ay pamarisan ng mga kabataan, ng bawat Pilipino, na maganda dapat ang asal na pinapakita natin sa kanila. At the very least, behavioral-wise, I think we owe to our Filipino constituents, no, sa sambayan ng Pilipino, that as elected official, we also have to carry ourselves in the best manner that we can, and also enjoy ourselves, engage ourselves in value formation. To a very least, and the societal effect of the threats is nagiging nanonormalize yung pagbabanta sa kapwa-tao na hindi dapat yun nangyayari kanino man at maski anong oras.